First, we plugged in Graphmatica the x values and the y values that were given to us in the problem. We placed each x value with its corresponding y value and got a set of points that are aligned in a diagonal line. Using the regression capabilities that Graphmatica offers, we were able to plot a linear model, using the information provided to us. Here, we can see the equation of the linear model. Then, they asked us to get a quadratic model using the same information. Here, we can see the equation of the quadratic model.
In a linear equation that stands for y equals mx plus b, letter m corresponds to what's the slope? The slope is the same thing as rise over run, and the rise corresponds to the movement of the y and run to the x. So, in this case, the y corresponds to the price and the x to the time. So, this means that the slope represents the difference of the cost per year.
Finally, they asked us to get the exponential model using the same information. Here, we can see the equation of the exponential model, but it is missing the base e. So we got its derivative by getting the natural logarithm of the number that takes the place of where the base e should be, and the answer, place it as the term times the original number with which we got the natural logarithm of.
Determine the horizontal asymptote of the exponential function. This is an exponential function. An exponential function never touches the x value of 0. In our problem, we're buying a car, so the price could never be negative. This is why, on our problem, the exponential function could not overpass the value of 0.
In part E, they asked us to get the rate of decrease when the time equals 3 years and the time equals 7 years. So what we did was get the derivative that we used in part C of the exponential model and placed each value on the x. So what I did was place the 7 in the x and got the negative rate of decrease.
And what I did was replace the x for the value of 3 and get my negative value.
And as it is visible, both answers are negative, and that is because we're looking for the rate of decrease. We're looking for the amount that it decreased, and therefore both answers are negative.